Hi guys, it's summertime and my AC start getting hot. So today I'm going to show you how you can refill your AC and save money. So in order to do that, you need to know where is your low power service for the AC. And in most car, normally it's only 3 locations, either around right here, this area, or right here, or right at the front. And luckily in my car, it's so right here. So all you need is to unscrew it. Alright. And say the cap, because you're going to need the cap later on to put it back on. And the next step is we need to turn on the car engine, because you want the air to circle while we recharging it. Alright, let's turn on the car right now. Alright, with the car turned on, but remember you have to turn on the AC also and put it into the cone. You can put it into the max for it to easier, for it faster to refill. And today we're going to use the AC Pro refillable, the reusable dispenser. It comes like this. It's like $40 for the first time, or like 30 if they on sale. But like after that, all you need is just to buy the can, and it's cheaper, like around 20 to 30 bucks. So you're going to hook it into your low power service right here, and put it down. Make sure it fits snugly. Alright, it's good. And the next step is you have to know your temperature outside. Right now in California, 85 degrees outside. So I'm going to put it into the 85 degrees. Yep, if your meter, yep, so it's a little bit low. So so I'm going to check the can, turn it a little bit, and then I'm going to recharge it. And to recharge, you push the trigger, pull the trigger. Let's start it. And you turn and do it every 3 seconds. See, it's a little bit better. It's in the rain now, but it's still not where I need to design. Getting there, guys, getting there. I can feel the cold in the AC because it's moving. Almost there. It's been a while, so my AC been running low, so it takes a lot. Normally I do this one every at the beginning of the summer, so you can have, and then you can recheck it during the month of like July, August. But that's the raising hot month. Yeah, the can is almost empty now. We need to buy a new one. Alright guys, that's it all for today. Because my can is empty now. It feels very light. So I need a new one. But as you can see, it gets very close to the V right here. So it's good enough for me. And let's go inside the car so we can test out how cold the air right now compared to before. Even though I forgot to show you how cold the air was before. Alright, it's empty. Take this one out. And remember to put the cap back on, guys. Yeah, that's it. Now let's go inside the car and test how cold now air conditioning right now. Woo! Oh my god, guys, it's so cold. I can feel like I'm in the North Pole right now. And the air very good. And that's how, you know, with less than 5 minutes and you already recheck your air conditioning and, you know, make you feel comfortable for the long road again. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to save money on your car repair. Thank you guys. Until next time. Bye for now.